So one of the challenges that data analysts have is how to get promoted. Okay, so how do they convince the business that they're ready to be promoted? When you are looking to get promoted as a data analyst to a senior level data analyst, you need to be able to exhibit certain skills and behaviors that will allow the business to think that you're ready to be promoted. Now, one of those things is being able to lead on projects. So if you're going to be a senior data analyst, you're going to have to lead on projects, and that means managing junior resources. It means leading on the entire project. It means also working with senior stakeholders. So you need to be able to demonstrate that while you're in your role, to show elements of that so the business will know or feel confident that if they promote you, you can lead on projects. So the other thing that you need to be good at is your knowledge of advanced analytics. So what will happen is that the business will typically go to the senior analyst and ask them advice for how we should run something. Is this a suitable method? And you need to be able to come up with confident and credible answers. Now, that doesn't mean you have to be an expert at it, no, by no means, but you need to know the foundations or the fundamentals so that if you were asked a question, you can either go off and do a quick bit of research and come up with the answer, or know the answer, or at least know the methodology for the answer. So therefore you can answer confidently, and you can also reassure the business that you know what you're talking about. Now, that does mean that you have to do quite a bit of research in this area, understand what those advanced analytical techniques are. They differ from domain to domain or sector to sector, so just make sure that in the business that you're in, that you understand what the more advanced analytical methods and techniques are. The other thing that the business will be expecting of you is your ability to communicate and be good at storytelling. Now, that means that you need to move away from being behind the screen, i.e. just sitting there doing the analysis, to someone who's going to be in front of the screen. And what I mean by this is someone who's able to present findings, who's able to articulate what they mean to the business, and basically be a good storyteller so that the business understands what the impact of the data analysis means for them. Now, this, in your current role, you should be able to do. There should be opportunities where you're able to present, even if it's internally to your team, because what you're trying to demonstrate to your manager is that you're ready to move to a senior role by doing some of those behaviors in your current role. And then finally, the business will be looking towards you to see if you have the right type of business acumen, that you understand how the business operates, how it makes money, what its cost factors are. Because as a senior data analyst, you need to put that context in your analysis. And as I mentioned before, you'll be expected to present findings. So in those findings, you need to provide broader context and insights into what they mean for the business. So, try to learn more about the business that you're in, demonstrate that knowledge when you are in team meetings by questioning certain analysis or asking certain questions. And hopefully then your manager can see that you're ready because you have the relevant knowledge, experience and skills. So in summary, certain things that they'll be looking for is, are you able to lead on projects, so be like the key person for the project? Are you good at presenting those findings, so you're the person who can take the knowledge and present to the business, that you are you're knowledgeable about advanced analytical techniques, so they can rely on you to provide answers on how things should be done. And then finally, that you've gained enough business acumen that you understand how the analysis impacts the business and how they can either grow, save money or become more efficient. Well, that's it really. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it enjoyable. If you have any comments, put them in the comment section below. I always try to answer all of the comments, and look out for my next video. Thanks.